Well, now I am going to talk about dplyr basics. The first argument I am going to cover with a great book, and that is R for data science, R for data science, and that makes use of dplyr, and it is by Haley Wickham and et al. Haley Wickham et al. There are some other authors. The first argument is always a data frame. In dplyr functions, the first argument is always a data frame. The subsequent arguments typically describe which column to operate on using the variable names without quotes. The output is always a new data frame. dplyr uses dplyr verbs functions to solve the vast majority of data manipulations challenges. Performing complex data manipulations usually require combining multiple verbs and will do so with a pipe operator. This is the pipe operator. The pipe operator takes the things in its left on its left and passes it along with the function on the right, so that x, then pipe operator is this vertical column and greater than fy is equivalent to fxy and x greater than fy and then greater than qz. Gz is equivalent to gfxyz. dplyr's verbs are organized into 4 groups based on what they operate on. They operate on rows, they operate on columns, they operate on groups, and they operate on tables. So first we are going to cover operators on rows, and its function is filter. So here required dplyr, require New York flights, loading the required packages, flights, and then we are using the pipe filter, departure delay greater than 20. So it will report all those, it will filter all those rows whose departure delay is greater than 120 minutes. So it is departure delay, departure delay, departure delay. Where is departure delay? Yes, this is the departure delay. So it is this column. This is this column. 120 minutes. I will look into that. See. See, departure delay. So all those departures which have delayed greater than 120 minutes, they are being selected. Like 854, 144, it is also greater than 120 minutes. 134, 122, it is greater than 120. So all those rows are being filtered, and it is 9,722 rows, of course, by 22 columns. So 9,723 rows are having, these rows are having departure delay greater than 120. Flights that departed on January 1st. So filter flights, month is equal to 1, that is January, and day is equal to 1. And here it is the flights, and then this is the pipe operator. So pipe operator works both, and this is the most common. It works, earlier it was being used as percent greater than percent, but now it is pipe and greater than. So both ways we can use. See here, all those, it is filtering those flights which are in the month of January, and day 1, first day. So it is day 1 and month of January. It is 1 to 6. Flights that departed in January or February. So flights, filter month is equal to 1 or month is equal to 2. Month is equal to 1 means it is January or February. So it has selected all those rows in which flights have departed in month of January, month 1 or 2, month 1 or 2. So when we will view this, say for example, if we give the object name A1, no, we have to assign here, say for example A1, and then we are running this. So when we will view A1, it gives, so either month 1 or month 2. Month 1 or month 2. Month 1 or month 2. There is no after 2. So it gathers, it filters only those rows whose month is January or February. So it is like this. A shorter way to select flights that departed in January or February is flights, and then see, I am just cutting this object. Shorter way to select flights that departed in January or February, flights, and then filter month in C12, month in C12. So say for example, if we have this object as A2, so we can view A2 A2. So here again we have only 1 or 2. These are the ones, and here it is 2. So this is the shorter way. This is a shorter way. Filter month in, percent in, month in. So it will look into the month column, only these 2 variables which are being filtered. Then arrange changes the order of the row based on the values of the columns. Say for example, flights, arrange year, month, day, departure time. So it will arrange year, month, day, departure time. So it will arrange according to the departure time. So if we will run, say for example, if we will write this object, arrange. So if we will view A3, see, Here it is year, month, day and departure time. So departure time 517, 533, 542, 544. So it has make an arrangement like departure time and month and day. So it is being arranged in increasing order. Distinct. Distinct finds all the unique rows in a data set. So in a technical sense, it is primarily operates on rows. Distinct. See, if we have x is equal to c 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 4 comma 5. So if we have distinct x, oh, it is in the base R, it is unique. It gives unique values only. It is not repeating 1, 1, it is giving only 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and then 5. So it is unique in base R, but in dplyr it is distinct. So it will remove duplicate rows if any and it will give only distinct. So say for example, if we are writing them an object, this, and then we run, see what is our view A3. See, it is having only distinct rows are being obtained here, which are having distinct combinations. If there is some, say for example, if everything is same, here also same, here also same, then it will not select them. It is having only distinct rows. So all those rows which are distinct. So it is distinct rows. Find all unique origins and destinations. So here flights, origin and destination. Say for example, it is getting only those flights whose origin and destination are same. So we are having view A3. See here, it is having only 224 entries. See, it is having only distinct origin and distinct destination, whereas these are 36,000 something, 3,36,000, but distinct origin and destination are only 224 entries. So it is showing distinct origin and destination. Then columns, there are 4 important verbs that affect the columns without changing the rows. They are mutate, creates new column that are derived from the existing columns, select, changes which column are present, rename, changes the name of the columns, and relocate, changes the position of the column. So mutate, the job of mutate is to add new columns that are calculated from the existing column. Flights, mutate, gain We have already discussed this example. Mutate gain, this is the new column. Departure delay minus arrival delay. Speed is equal to distance divided by arrival time into 60. Arrival time, distance, speed is equal to arrival distance upon arrival time into 60. So it is the speed per hour. It is speed per hour. So we can have these things. See, this is the speed. Speed has been added. Speed, this speed has been computed. So this speed comes from distance divided by arrival time into 60. So this is the speed. This is the speed. See, gain, see. And then here mutate gain is equal to departure delay minus arrival delay. Speed is equal to distance upon arrival time into. So, but we want after day we want to keep these gains and the speed. See, after day we want to keep speed and then rest are after they are after day. After day we want to keep this speed. So this is the after day, this speed comes. So this is dot after is equal to, and then gain per hour, flights mutate gain is equal to gain departure delay minus arrival delay, hour is equal to air time divided by 60, gain per hour, gain upon hours, dot keep used. So it will keep all used. It will keep all used columns. Dot keep is equal to used. See, departure delay has been used, arrival delay has been used, then air time has been used, and then gain, and then we are having, so all these keep is equal to use means all those columns which are being used in computation, they are being kept here, and after that we are defining gain. So this is another way of manipulating the things. Dot keep. Select the column by name. Flight, select year, month and day. So if we assign this to A3, we can view A3. So it is having year, month and day. So these three columns have been selected and we have assigned them to an object A3. So this way, select all columns between year and day inclusive. So here year and day. So it is like this. Suppose we assign it A2 and we are running this command. See, view A2. See. So what we wanted to do? We wanted to do all those selection from year to day inclusive. So what we have got? We are having year, month and day. So from year to day, we have having inclusive in the column select. The command is select year to day. So all those columns in between will be inclusive. So here select all columns between year and day inclusive. Select all columns except except those from year to day. So here not, it is not command, not year and day. So it will exclude year to day and remaining it will report. Say if we are having A3, it will exclude year to day and remaining it will report. So view A3. So it is excluding those year to day, year has been dropped, month has been dropped and day has been dropped, because year do not select year to day and remaining has been reported here in this column. Select columns that are characters. So is dot character, where flights, select where is dot character, where is dot character. So where it is character column, it will be selected. So it is A3 So it is selecting only those columns which are character. Carrier, tail number, origin and destination. So these are the character column out of 22. Only 4 columns are character. And if I think it should work with, if we are writing not is dot character. See what happens. It is not working. So well, it is only is dot character is working. Now relocate. Use relocate to move variables around. You might want to collect related variables together or move important variables to front. By default, relocate moves variable to the front. Relocate time and air time. So what it will do, so A2, and when we will view A2, so it is relocating time hour and air time. So it is time hour and air time, it is relocating both them in the front, and after that year and month and etc. So it is the relocate, it is the implementation of relocate. See, relocate year to departure time after time hour. So here it is relocate, but after time hour, year, month, after time hour. So dot after is equal to time hour. Say for example, if we are having A2 like this, then we are running, and if we view view A2 see here it is after time hour, after time hour, after time hour, time hour. This is after time hour, it is relocating year to departure time after time hour. So after time hour, it is year to year, month, day, departure time. So all year after time hour, it is relocating year, then after that month, then day, then departure time. So from year to departure time, we want to relocate it after time hour. So it is the effect of relocate. Now, tomorrow in my next talk, I shall continue with these different implementations, different verbs of dplyr. dplyr is among the very effective packages of data manipulations and data wrangling. It is one of the great packages which were developed by Helly Wickham, and they have written a great book, R for Data Science. R for Data Science, that is a great book to learn tidy words which include ggplot2, readr and dplyr. So with these words I would like to finish my lectures of today.